Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Chill Guy and Sonic as one character. It's going to be real simple, easy. Let's do it. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Chill Guy mixed with Sonic. So, incredibly easy. Let's get started, okay? So, first thing I do right here is I'm going to draw a line right here and line around here. This will be the bottom of Sonic's mouth. And edge right there for the nose. We're going to go over here. We're going to draw a line out, curve in right there for kind of like that. It looks like I don't know, like a cork shape. And we're going to fill in most of it. You can leave in a little bit for like a highlight, but for most of it, it's going to be like that. Down right here. Pulling up, down. Smile, line right here for Sonic's expression. Pulling back up a little bit over here on the far side. Line right there. Curve right there for the eye of Sonic. Highlight, right? A little bit of a line right here. And then we're going to have the ear come out down. Ear come out down. It's just a triangle. Curve. Curve down. On over here. Alright. We got that so far. Down over here for another spike. Another one going upward. And that'd be pretty good for the head right there. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start going into the body. So line over here. Line over here for kind of that neck area for the sweater. Gonna go over here to the left side of his body. Gonna go over here on this side. Out, in, curve, up, out. Line, line. Like so. There we go. Gonna go over here, out. Right there. So now we have the entire sweater right there. And we're gonna go over here for the other side, down. For the far side arm over there. Don't forget, I'm going live every single day, just drawing random wacky stuff, like sometimes just suggested by anybody in the live chat. I'm gonna be going live publicly, and I'm also gonna be going live like in the membership area. So I'm gonna be going live a lot. So line across, line over here, down, line over here, up. I'm gonna draw his shoes. I'm gonna draw more of Sonic's shoes right there. See, line right there, line right there. Curve, 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 curve. Very Sonic-esque shoes right there. And now we're gonna just try to tie the whole thing together. So maybe like a line underneath for the sweater, the lower portion of the sweater. Line, line, line. Line over here. Curve over here on the crank of the arm, right, as he's bending it. Same thing over here. You want to draw these little lines because that's where the flexion happens, right? That's where the bending happens in general. And we're gonna go over here now. We're gonna go up, down, line over here, in, up, down over here. We're gonna make a little bit of a thicker line around the entire outside of the character. The reason to do that is to the reason to do that is to just kind of give this like a sticker-like look. Just drawing a thick line around the whole thing. It's pretty chill, honestly. I don't know, like it has a different look to it. Just doing that, it's so easy to do it, and it can sometimes make the drawing like it just some honestly a lot of times it makes the drawing it can make the drawing look better. It just changes the style in which the things are happening in. So you do have to kind of like use it intelligently, otherwise it's not gonna work out that great. Line over here like so. Going pretty good, and we want to add a couple of other things. So let's look into his eye right there, and I want to add the pupil, right? The pupil is the dark portion, the iris is the colored portion, right? And I would say even in the iris you get all these little lines right there. Add a little more sonic-ism to the whole thing. If you want, you can draw a little line underneath the mouth over here. Curve right there. Line over here, maybe give a little bit of dark to kind of give the eye a little bit more structure, I would say, to kind of make that a little bit more obvious. And then this is a time where you look at your drawing, right, and you're just having a fun time. You're thinking, okay, where are some little things I could add? Maybe the pocket over here, maybe the seam line right there, seam of the pants, the other seam of the pants, right? The folding along the pants in general right there, and those are like thinner lines. These thinner lines are secondary, and they're meant to kind of add a detail line right here. They're just meant to like add detail to something that's already detailed, right? It gives it this easy, it just gives it this easy look. I don't know how to say it. Like, it gives it this more thought out thing where it looks like the artist's thinking more about what's going on in general, and it just helps, I mean, I guess there's a point if you draw lines everywhere, right, where it might not help, but in general, it helps a lot. That one was okay. But yeah, a lot of this stuff, great. It's mellow, it's chill. Anyways, but yeah, good stuff. What I want you to do is I want you to share the video if you can. It's incredibly easy to do that. And also, I want you to stick around because we're going to do a lot more, and we will talk later, okay? So I'll see you soon, and we'll talk later on. And yeah, thanks so much. All right, talk to you in the next video. Oh, yeah, like I said, check out all the playlists. That really helps as well. So thanks so much, and see you later. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.